George, this may not be the best plan, huh?
Why?
I don't know, I'm a bit worried.
About what?
About the stability of that.
Oh, mate.
G'day everyone, welcome to another episode of Bushcraft and Camping Adventures. My name's Craig, and today we're heading out to Tallow Beach. Just me and 4 other distinguished gentlemen. I'm going to be the most bushcrafty adventure we've ever been on, but it's going to have some good times. I hope you enjoyed as much as we do. So here's to another good trip. Hold on tight, here we go. It's our home for the night right there. We hope. Now I don't mean to alarm you, but we may have had a bit of a situation on the way down the track. We've got our 2 nano trolleys and yet we've had a spill. We've had a spill. George, is everything going to be okay?
Well, we're looking at, it's an experiment, that's all it is,
Yes.
so we're not worried, because we're learning from this.
We always learn from our mistakes.
Trolley versus
Backpack. Should I do a whole video? Trolley versus backpack. Alright, I'm gonna keep tracking and we'll see you 2 trolley gentlemen at the bottom of the track.
Yeah, this won't take too long.
Every time we start a video, Ross, it's always you sitting down drinking a beer. I love it. I love it. It's perfect. It's perfect. You know?
I'm impressed with all the fact that everyone's got budgies. I don't even own a pair.
You don't?
I don't own a pair.
Well, you see, because he's a swimmer, right? So I'm a swimmer.
Yeah.
If you go to the pools and you swim, you're not going to swim forward.
That's true.
Inefficient.
Too much drag.
I do.
Hey?
How often do you do laps?
Oh, you know,
How many laps can you do? You know,
many,
you know.
many laps. All the laps. I do them all, man.
All the laps.
Pretty sure I do all of them. So gents, how do we all feel about being in our first bushcraft and camping adventures video? Look, the 2 of you guys are both half naked. So that idiot over there, that's Mark. Mark, do you want to say hello to the tens of people watching?
Hey to the tens of people. I got dimpled.
Matches the dimples on his
Because
ass.
it's not
My
Scottish.
sister-in-laws are Indian, so it's fine.
Dimples not
Let's
Scottish.
clarify, he's allowed to do it.
Because of Mr. White over here. White, yeah.
Oh well, we're saying names though. We say addresses too.
This is
No, Mr. Green, Mr. Green.
Mr. Green, Mr. Black.
I'll be Mr. Brown.
I'll be Mr. Rainbow.
There you go.
Hey, that works.
Black,
I'll be Mr.
you.
Pink.
black, pink, green, white,
Black.
black. Done. No, hang on, he's black.
I gotta be black.
He's black.
No, the other
He can't be black,
Okay,
he's Mr.
rainbow,
Brown.
rainbow.
He's rainbow, he already said
Rainbow.
he's rainbow.
No.
You couldn't get a better match.
Mr.
Let's just go with Bushcraft Master Dave, mate. That's Bushcraft Master Dave. He's Speedo man, and he's a good bloke. Do you wish to say something about yourself, Bushcraft Dave?
Best of all time.
Cheers.
I'm a man of few
My little
words.
cup. Cheers.
Only action.
We look forward to those
Cheers,
actions. We have to go in for inspections here. He bought this from the local hardware store, and now he just has to use it. He set out the picnic blanket purely because he bought it. Let's move on from that one. This is going to be a very hard to edit video. I don't know how we're going to make this PG friendly. Hey, we didn't know we're all wearing. We were wearing Hawaiian shirts. We had a thing. We can have a cabana party. Hawaiian shirts.
Then we'll go crabbing. Oh, corn
We can wear Hawaiian shirts.
Corn cobs.
Where we said let's all wear Hawaiian shirts, and I'm only the one that's still wearing the Hawaiian shirt. So I kind of look like I just decided I wanted to wear a Hawaiian shirt today. I didn't. We were wearing them until they all decided to get naked.
I can't believe this day.
So let's go for a bit of a walk. So for all my overseas viewers, this is Australia really. I mean, beach, the sun, blue sky. I mean, we're going to get into that. You're going to be seeing a lot of that. Oh, she's stunning, huh? Really, really nice. So we're just kicking back for a while. Should be a good time. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Let's hope that you have a laugh and we have a laugh. What a sad state of affairs. This guy's trapped in a web. Ah, well, sorry buddy.
That's why I brought my hiking sandals, mate. Hiking sandals all the way to Gabra. What do you need now?
Let me come up, train. Oh my God.
Too early to pull your sausage out, mate.
Yes.
You got ice, that's good.
Can't go over too much.
I joined mine as well.
Oh my God, man. Oh my God, we have to stop it.
Hey, Mark.
Yeah.
We have very unfortunate musical taste going on in the background. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do about it.
I didn't even comment when I said.
I don't know if you can hear it.
Okay, mate. What did you say?
It's horrible.
I don't know, just fucking
It's quite horrible.
We're together.
It's hot. Did we mention it's hot? It's about 30 degrees Celsius. So that's hot. In case you're wondering, it's hot. We're down here on the beach and I don't know if we'll be doing much filming down here because it's pretty windy. And I got to pull the camera right up to my face for you to be able to hear me. But the boys are hitting it. Looks delicious. Take a wander over there a little bit later on. How many of you guys have never been to a beach? Put it in the comments. See, to me, this is my snow. I've never seen snow, but people find that weird. I'd find it really weird if you've never been on a beach. Gorgeous place we got here, eh? It's a cool little cave here. I just love exploring rocks. Since I was a kid, I've always enjoyed going out on the rocks on the beach. It's just cool. So I'll try and take some of it in, then I'll go and join the boys. What a beautiful spot, eh? Just awesome. So that was awesome. We just saw a seal, a big, huge, called lion, tiger, a big seal. I can't think of the name of them. Like, it would have been 8-9 feet long. They're monsters. At first we thought it was a shark. Wait. No. We saw a great white shark. Yeah, I punched it in the face. Yeah, that's what we do here in Australia. We punch sharks. I punched it in the back, yeah. But yeah, no, lion seal. Awesome. It was still surfing the waves with us. It was right there. It was right there. 10 meters from us. Initially we all actually thought it might have been a shark, and we kind of all pooped ourselves collectively for a second. And then we realized it was a seal. Kind of euphoria swept the god damn, hot sand. Okay, so again, those of you who don't know beaches, the sand gets you, man. The sand gets you. So what a great little trip we're having so far. Never seen a seal in the water with me. That's wicked cool. Back to camp now. We have an issue. It's not a lion seal. What is it, boys?
A sea lion.
Yeah, I told you I couldn't think of it. A sea lion, not a lion seal.
Or a bull shark.
All credibility lost. I never had any to start with, so that's alright. Manu Chao.
Oh, hey, you have a lot of money.
How much do you
A lot of holes.
What? We're sitting pretty. I was just walking around collecting some firewood and I found this. I don't know. At first I thought maybe it was being used for friction fires. I saw it like that. But no, there it is. And then there's this. No camping beyond this point, but I ask you, what is beyond this point? How can you camp in there? What are these signs talking about?
I was in Blue. I went to tell these guys Selena's going to fucking amazing. At some stage, I made a Beastie Boys.
Yeah, I love it.
For a moment.
That album, like, it's one of those days, like, that's fucking amazing.
So we are currently listening to young Mr. White's old bands. Remember Mr. Black, Mr. Rainbow, Mr. Pink, Mr.
Green.
Mr. Green, Mr. White, Mr. Black. What's the band again? No, who's this band? This is there you go.
Hey, Kel, that's him. I know.
Very nice, man. Very nice.
You're talking over it, mate. You're talking over You got all Run DMC on that film shit. Great.
Yeah, mine's obviously Elliot.
Oh, don't ruin it, man.
Work it.
Don't ruin it.
I like
This is-
kids.
You need corn next, you know, like
You want to go
it's on by corn. That was my first ever
I'm going
mosh
to drink
pit.
more. Fuck this
It's
shit.
on at Big Day Out. You know, corn at Big Day Out. That was my first ever mosh
I
pit,
can see
man.
it, Paul.
Yeah.
Those are a bit of claw, the old storm clouds coming in. Not bad, not bad. Oh, look at that! What?
Yeah!
Like a something.
Yeah, bitch! Oh, sick curvature!
Oh, there's a face.
Let's go, Dave.
Holy Derek! Oh, monkey! wrong with me? Quit. It's all done with me. I retire.
For everyone.
We're gonna use the Bush box. That's right. This is called the Bush box.
Oh, I love the Bush box.
We know.
I haven't had a bush box for a number of years.
You know what? I haven't had a box ever, so it's fine.
Did you hear that, YouTube? That's too funny, man. Alright, the Bush box is built. We're not going to put it upside down this time.
Hooks up with, it connects to mine at
Oh,
home.
some are connected.
Alright, so the boys are just sitting over there. I bought pants. Long johns. I haven't used zebra, Billy said. Zebra, Thailand. Alright, so this fits into this. Bob's your uncle. So it's a bit heavy, but yep, that replaces the old piece of crap I used to use. So let's go put it to the test. While we get sung to with the world's worst music, I'm eating mushrooms. Dave made a trap, and I'm not sure what he's expecting, but apparently it will stop all the intruders. Potatoes in water. How am I going to get out of all the bad singing from this video? I don't know how I'm ever going to edit that shit out. Doesn't mean stop.
What about great
Doesn't
singing?
mean stop.
What about great singing?
Oh, when was that? Put in the comments section, was that great singing? It's up to you, the people will decide.
What was the album it's on? Greatest hits every day. I love cold chocolate.
Oh my god, that's amazing. I shit love this. Party.
Oh yeah. You gonna play some cold next or what?
Oh, you're looking at it, mate. I don't know where the point in the camera is. It's like topless dude, topless dude, topless dude, budgies. Like, I think all I've got to do is just film this way. He likes our music.
I like their music, I like their smell.
Maggie the magpie has followed us around literally all day. Down to the beach, up here, hopping around the grass, now hanging above our heads.
Same one who was on the beach, he was in
Magaggie,
playing
that's
frisbee
it.
with us.
Yeah, that's it, Magaggie. Magaggie.
over there.
You fire a musket, but I'll run you through. So when you're waiting for the
Tell him.
Oh wow. That was hot.
Hey everybody, we got half an hour of light left. We've all had a few brewskis and it's feeling nice. And
I'm getting rained on by
he's getting pissed on, rained on. The tree is sprinkling water on him and we're not quite sure what kind of crazy phenomena this is.
Rolling Stone.
Fuck, give me a shot of a Rolling Stone.
Our musical journey has gone in many unbelievably and horrible locations.
Rolling Stone.
We're about to move down to the beach. See, Dave thinks something's pissing on him. Over there, buddy. Crab. So we've got to lay a foundation here. The main reason being to form a barrier between the damp parts of the snow and the fire itself. Between the damp parts of the snow and the fire itself.
You guys make there we go.
Beautiful, eh? This is yeah. It's cool.
Couldn't have got much better weather.
So far so good, right?
Well, the fact that we're sitting out here, no wishing for warmth. Pretty sweet.
Alright, well, we've been moved in by a bit of a rainstorm that came over, and I think everyone's just smashed out. So I think it's time to go to sleep. So until tomorrow morning. Ciao. Morning. Good sleeps I had. About 5:40. Listening to the waves all night crashing. Pretty good. What a day. Don't think we got much recording done. A bit too much bad music. A lot of bad music. That's alright, that's what you do. I go and cook some breakfast on the beach today. Have a swim. Doing at the beach and stuff and things. Looking forward to it. We'll go for a walk down on the beach now and just say good morning to the day. So let's get on with it. Not a bad way to wake up, I'll tell you. Time to get some breakfast going because I'm pretty hungry. You've got to get your priorities straight. So I might head off and start